Hi, let me show you how to set up a trivia game in Adact. So once you create your campaign, then choose a trivia game from the list. It's a simple game to just ask questions or gather feedback from your customers. So here we see on the left the loaded default questions and on the right the preview of the game. Of course we would want to have our own questions, so let's delete all of the default questions. So to add our own questions, we will just simply click on new question. Let's do a mushroom theme game, for example. Can mushrooms be poisonous? Here you can attach an image to the same question as well to illustrate it. And here you can add up to 4 different choices. We would only need 2. On the right you can mark which of them is correct and which is incorrect. So once I save this question, you can already see that the question is loaded on the right. Now if I would want to add another question, and this time maybe a question with images, I would ask, for example, which of these mushrooms is poisonous? Again, I will, for example, add 2 options, but here I will toggle use images as choices. That allows me to have images instead of only texts. So let's upload a couple of images of mushrooms. As you can see, the images don't have to be perfectly a specific width and height, because the game actually scales it down automatically. And instead of example, let's say option A and option B. Additionally, to further illustrate the game, we can use a custom background as well. That means that when this question is loaded, then the background is changed to another image. Here, if I toggle it and upload an image of a forest, then when this question is loaded, then the background is changed. Now I can save the question, and I can see I have 2 questions here. And if I would want to change the order, I can just drag and drop the order of those questions. Now here, when I start previewing and playing the game, I see that I get a feedback of whether I was correct or I was incorrect, and what was the correct answer. To change it, I can just untoggle this button here. Now the players do not know which of them was correct. And of course, if you would want to change the visuals to match your own branding, then here you can change the backgrounds, the colors, the fonts, the text size, text colors, and everything that you would need to make it more of your brand-like. For example, if I would change the fill here to black, you can see the changes happening immediately. And this is how simple it is to set up a trivia game in Adact.